Another place you would be mine. On a brighter day, under a different sky, maybe we fly. Good girl, I knew you were a good girl. All I ever fought for, can I lose it all?
It has been so long since I've sat down and just did my makeup. Kind of excited to do my makeup today. My skin hasn't really been doing the best. Anybody else going through like the transitional period of their skin just not doing so great now that we've left the summertime? Because I don't know if that's what's going on with my skin, but yeah, if you like watching people do their makeup, then you came to the right place. I know you've been seeing the Latte makeup look all over your time feed. Like, there's no way you can miss. I really love that look. Like, that would be like my go-to look. To achieve this makeup look, I'm gonna be taking my Patrick Ta. Oh, she a little dirty. Oh God, embarrassed. No, I'm not. I don't know why people do that. Like, relax. Like, you use your makeup. It's not a bad thing. What it is like brands like to see. Ooh, let me get that reflect. Ah, look at that glow. Brands like to see their products look nice and clean, and it looks really presentable. This palette is quite expensive and it dropped for me, and I lost the deepest shade in this palette. If you know how much this cost. But yeah, I'm gonna be probably using a little bit of this. I'm not quite sure yet because I have my favorite, my baby, the Morphe oh boy 25D palette. She gets pulled out all the time. Like, look at her. Mwah, lovely. I just picked this up. I haven't used it that much, and this is the Birthday Skin by She Glam, aka Shein. I don't know like how well it works or doesn't work, but the reviews were pretty good. So I've had this in my loved for so long. It's kind of giving me a white cast. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. This is in shade number 7, and I've been using this a lot lately to bronze up my face. I do want to try this in my color too. Not to mention it blends out pretty easy. Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. I really want to get honey or warm sand or sand. One of those. Yeah. I have to cover that up immediately. It's so ugly. It was from a pimple that was there. Like, what are you doing there? I'm taking one of my favorite brushes and we're gonna blend. Concealer is my favorite part. Be gone, dark circles. I put way too much out here at the corner of my eye. Concealer just automatically transforms your face. Put a little bit there, right on my forehead. Honestly, my chin didn't need any. Why did I put that? I put a little bit too much concealer on my forehead. I don't know why I did that. Your forehead does not need that. Even if you're breaking out and you have all the things like what my forehead is looking like right now, you never need that much product for your forehead, bro. Like, it's never that serious for your forehead, for real. To brighten this up, I'm gonna take this concealer. This is by Maybelline in number 34, and this is deep, believe it or not. And I don't want it too bright. You know what I'm missing? So usually I would spray my setting spray in between each step to make sure it really locks in, but I forgot, and also I'm running low, so let's use it now. Yep, that is so pretty to me. Let me tell you something. The TikTok girlies, they were right about this one. This is a freaking amazing. This is number 2 Givenchy powder. She Eats. I'm using it. I'm gonna have to go somewhere. Somebody better take me out, honey. Period. Pour and blend out them creases. It does have a fragrance. I don't know why they have to do that. Like all these more expensive, I can't talk. All these more expensive, it's not like it smells. Like if they make it into a perfume, lovely, but like why is that on my face? But do you see, honey? I want to try the pink one as soon as I can. I will, but right now she a little bit too pricey for my pockets. Babes, let me let that sit there for just a second. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Babes, come on. I just hate powder packaging. So much powder gets wasted. I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth. This powder never fails. And my big Sephora fluffy brush. And set my whole face. It's not called Micro Smooth for nothing. Okay. I'm gonna use my Fenty bronzer. This is in Caramel Cutie. As you can see, I used it all the way up, babes. Yeah, you know, it's a latte makeup look, so you got to go a little extra hard with the bronzer. With that said, I'm going to go into my Fenty palette that has all the bronzing colors. I'm going to use the second darkest shade in this palette and just focus this towards the very back portion of my face. For my nose, I'm going to take a smaller brush and a lighter shade. I'm going to take the second lighter shade in this palette because I don't want like a stark, harsh line of bronzer on my nose. Oh, this is so old, don't judge me. This is the Riri Mac Bad Girl Gone Good Satin Blush, and if you remember this line, then you know how old this is. Bro, I forgot to use my foundation. I was gonna use the She Glam. I completely forgot that I wasn't wearing foundation. Oh, it is what it is. That's so crazy. I just looked down and I'm like, am I not wearing foundation? Pinky terracotta situation is perfect for this look. Like, it's just the most perfect blush. It goes with everything, and I'm just gonna dust it on my nose as well. And whoop, just gonna do a little line across this lid of mine. I think that should be fine. Okay, the eyes are prepped and ready to go, babes. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so of course, like I said earlier, we're gonna go in with this palette. And I don't know. I think I'm gonna start with this color here. And then after that, I'm gonna go into this one. So we're gonna work our way up and deepen things, yeah. Yeah, one of my favorite blending brushes of all time, doll. This is the Golden Triangle Bedellamy Tools Tapered 785 brush. Oh, this is perfection. And I kind of want to wing it out a little bit. I'm going to leave this brush up in here, go back and forth, and get that color in there, babe. I love a good transition shade. Oh. Yes, please. Do you see that? That's gorgeous. Okay, when you weren't looking, I also did this eye. Cheese. Like, I want to stop right here at a wing liner and call it a day. Who gonna stop me? This is Latte. Yep, she's making it latte-like. I'm just trying to focus it right out here. Drag her out and put her in the crease, but slightly lower than that last color because we're trying to keep her around. You know, she still needs to be outside, but not that outside. Yes, beautiful. Back to Miss Fluffy brush and that little combo. I'm just gonna dust it right on top. Yep, just dust her on like that. Put some of that lightness right up in my inner corner. Bringing out my little mini. Look at her, she's so cute. Well, she don't want to be seen right now. Hello. She said no. Okay. I got a new mole right there recently. I'm very proud of it because I like moles. I think they're cute. Oh, beauty marks. I think I do want to add like a little bit directly underneath my eyelid. Are the girlies doing that? I don't know. I brought different options for my lips because I didn't know which direction to go in. And this also makes me want to darken the outer corner as well of my eye. I thought this was very latte-like. And then to lighten it, I was debating between these two right here. And let me change and I'll be right back. So this is the completed look. I think it's super cute, and yes, I threw on this wig because OQ hair, she don't play with you. She do not play with you, babes. And I had to switch out the jewelry to gold because it's Latte. Latte gives me gold vibes and it was a must. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the completed look. I love this lip combination, by the way. I definitely will be wearing this. I will be referring back to this video myself to remember this little lip combination that I put together because I think it's so cute. I love it. I love it so much. Maybe you could use like a yep, like, comment, subscribe. Yes, that's what I was gonna say. Subscribe if you are feeling this vibe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Lost in the thrill of it all. Miami, Amsterdam, Tokyo, Spain.